What's today's program? To fill up your tongue, first you will learn where's the food from. Second, you will know what's the recipe in rainbow. And third, I will show how to make the food like a MasterChef pro. And last, you get hands on, step by step, to make your own. You know Vietnam is close or far from our country, Australia. Can we go there? By bike or by car? Look at this and keep still. It's beautiful rice field. So when the paddy rice is ripened, this is turned yellow or dark yellow. The farmers will harvest them. First, look, the rectangle is for food, and you follow the numbers. Fold the papers. Sounds easy? Now we play a game. You will guess the name of each fruit and vegetable, and their superpower hero. Are you ready? Red vegetable, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Peekaboo! Can you name which character I am? Can you guess which part of your body get the benefits from eating the red and pink fruits and veggies? Okay, now listen to the song while I'm making the rice paper roll. Are you ready? The paper in the bowl go round and round, round and round, round and round. The paper in the bowl go round and round, land on the tray.